Hi, I am Joaquin Rojas, and this is my second oral test for Advanced English 2. Um, the question I have to respond are number one, what's Rob doing in the evening? Well, Rob was having a coffee with Jolly, and he was very worried about getting late to Manhattan to, to this reservation with Jenny. Two, what time is the reservation? The reservation was at 8 p.m., and Jenny was thinking Rob is going to be late again. Number 3. What does Rob need to do to get to his destination? Explain. Well, Jenny says to Rob that he needs to take the subway on the Prospect Park station and then he needs to take the B train to West 4th Street. When he gets to that station, he has to take the A train to 14th Street. Then, to get to the restaurant, he has to come out of the subway on 8th Avenue and then go straight ahead for about 50 yards and take the first left and then host Rob get to Greenwich Avenue. And the restaurant called Tea Seat, it's on the right. Number 4. Why is Rob late? Well, in this case, Rob is late because the train stopped for about 20 minutes. 20 minutes. He tried to call Jenny, but he didn't have signal on his phone, so that's very unfortunate. 5. How long has Jenny been waiting for Rob? Well, Jenny was there since 7:45, and then she said that she was there waiting for Rob for about an hour. So, the number 6. What do you think about Jenny's reaction? Is it okay to be angry? I think her reaction was on point because I think no one likes to wait for another person when they plan to meet on a specific hour. And in this case, Rob is always late according to Jenny, so it's worse. Well, about me. Number 1. Are you good or bad at following direction? Explain. Well, I am not so bad at following directions. If the person give me some reference, like for example, I don't know, turn to the left when you saw a Cruz Verde pharmacy, or go straight ahead until you see some building. If is that the case, I can follow in direction not so badly. Number 2, what would you do if you were late for a date? First, I will call the person who is waiting me and tell he or she that I'm gonna be late, and then I will think if I have another option to get to the place on time. Number 3, what do you think of people who are not punctual? Well, in my case, if I have a meet, classes, or something, I always try to get to the place like 20 or 30 minutes before. So, my opinion of people who are not punctual is that you always can be on time if you are organized, obviously. But I know people can be late because of an accident or something similar. So, it's always fine if the person have a good reason for being late. And number 4, ask your teacher about his or her reaction when a student is late. So, well, miss, what's your reaction when a student is late for class? Depends if the student is 5 minutes late or 30 minutes late. I'm waiting for your response. Bye bye.